Greetings to you all. My name is Patrick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to download Microsoft Office for free. It's not going to cost you anything, and you download it free of charge. So what you just have to do is to stick to this. Make sure you have enough network. Actually, have a strong network. So, but before you could download the Microsoft Office for free, make sure that you don't have any Microsoft Office installed in your system already. Let's say you have a previous one, maybe an outdated version, you want to upgrade it or want to download a newer version, maybe Microsoft Office 2021. You have a 2016. You first of all need to uninstall the previous one before you could download this, so that it will not override it. You understand? So, but when you don't have anyone at all in your system, you are good to go. So, assuming you have the Microsoft Office in your system already, how are you going to move it away from your system, or how are you going to uninstall it? It's very simple. Come to your search bar, just type add or remove program, open it, come to a search or scroll down to look for that particular system application I'm looking for. So there's no Microsoft Office here in my system, so I don't need to worry myself about that. So what I just have to do is to close this. But if you have, just search it here or scroll down to look for it. Just go there, left click on it and uninstall it. Wait for it to get uninstalled before closing this. But since I don't have, I'll just close this and go direct to my browser. Okay, this is I'll close this. I'll open it from the beginning. So what I'll just need to do is I'll type first thing we need to download is the customization tool. So I'll type Office customization tool. Office customization tool. So this is deployment setting, and this is actually 64-bit architecture. My system is a 64-bit, has a 64-bit architecture. So you know your own system, you know the bits to download. So mine is 64. I'll keep it at 64-bit. I come to this Office suite. I'll just come and select the particular version I want to download. So I want to download this 2021. I just click it. I will leave every other thing there the way it is by default. So here is where you can actually customize the packages you want to be in your Office. So you can uncheck or turn off access, turn off OneNote, depending on your choice and others. So for in this case, I think I'll be needing access. Okay, I'll be needing access. So next, language, click language, come here. You can select any language of your choice, but in this case I'll be selecting English United States alone. You can select UK depending on your location. So I'll select English United States alone. You can add more than one language if you want, but here, well, in this case I'll just be using one. So I'll scroll down. Next, so this update and upgrade. So I'll turn this off. Depending is your choice if you want it to automatically check for update or upgrade. So I'll turn this off. I'll turn the visual. So I'll turn this off. I don't need the visual. So maybe I want to turn my update. I'll turn it off. So next this, This is license and activation, so they automatically accept the license term. So I'll turn it on. This is the product key. So this is the product key here. So I'll just next. This is where you enter your company's name and write a description about your company here. So I'll just next it and scroll down at the last part and say finish. So the next thing I need to do is just to export. I'll click this and say OK. Accept the license term agreement. So export it. So automatically this will show here. I'll have to open this in a folder. I'll have to show it in a folder. So what I just need to do is to right click and create a folder. Create a folder. Right click and create a folder. Then I'll call this folder let's call it MS Office. MS Office. MS Office. I'll copy this. I'll move it to this particular folder I just created, MS Office. I'll paste it here. Good. So the next thing I need to do is to go back to my browser and type Office deployment 2. Office deployment 2. So I'll click it. This is the one I'm looking for. I'll click the first one. So I'll scroll down and come and click download. So this will be downloaded. So I need to extract this in a folder. So what I'll do is to extract it in a folder. I'll say yes, check this and say continue. So I'll extract it in a folder by calling it a folder name. I'll create a folder here. I can call it Office for business purposes. So I'll just click OK. I have extracted that in a folder. So let me minimize this. I'll go to the folder. So this is where I saved it. So this is the offices. So this is the second folder I created. So I'll copy this. This is the second folder I created. So I'll copy it. I'll move it actually to my download because that is where my file is. I'll open this and paste it here. Good. So the next thing I need to do here is I'll type deployment Office deployment 2. Now this time around we will not be selecting the first one, we'll be selecting the second one. This is like the official website. So select the second one. Then I'll scroll down to copy the setup for configuration. Scroll down. Now you see download the Office TSC 2021 installation file. So here is where I'll copy this particular setup. So this is what we need. But before that, press the window button. So come here and type CMD. That is a command prompt. Will come up. Enter. Press enter. Then go to your file where you have this thing installed. So just copy it copy this, just copy the file name. Good. Then come to your command prompt. Before that, before you paste, make sure you type a cd and give a space. It's very important. So come to this top ribbon and right click, go to edit and paste. Press enter. Then go back to your Chrome to copy this particular setup for installation. So this is it. This is where the one you copy. So just and paste. Say yes. If you observe very well, you see I added a quality sign here. Make sure you impute it. If not, you might not really get it right. So our Microsoft Office is downloading. Just exercise patience. Get ready for it to get downloaded. It's processing. So wait for it to download. Check very well. This is it. It's installing. Let me check. This is it. It's installing. So you just have to wait for a moment until it gets downloaded. So just wait. It's actually taking a bit time. So this is it. It's almost to the end of the download. So just give some time for it to be downloaded. So this as you can see now, the installation has finished. So I'll just have to close this. So if I type Microsoft Excel here, I'll type Excel. Boom, this is it. So it's opening. So this is it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So do well to subscribe. Please try and subscribe. Turn off the notification button so that whenever I make any new post, you get a pop-up, a notification about it. Please, thank you so much.